Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share a creation on Photoroom. So first you pick the photo you want to share, and then on the top right corner tap there, and then you can easily export this to your gallery, or so for example to gallery. So you can just tap on gallery and then make sure that you allow access to your gallery, and then it says congratulations on your first creation. So you can just go to your gallery, and then this photo and then the photo will be there. And you can also share through other social media, so for example Instagram, Facebook, or messages. So you can just tap and then it will directly take you there. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.